Volvo's plug-in powertrain uses a larger battery and motor to add more horsepower and change the EV's capabilities. When crazy main tuner Ross Converse dropped the Mustang V8 into the Volvo engine bay, it was ridiculous to imagine the Volvo hitting 60 miles per hour in less than 6 seconds. These are Paul Newman and David Letterman cars, raw performance supercharged sleepers that trick the charm of Bar Harbor antique dealers. Volvo is a custom tuner these days, as the 2023 S60 Recharge proves. Like the modified Newman Converse 960, the S60 uses forced induction. Unlike previous supercharged tuners, this sled is turbocharged and electrically charged thanks to a rear-mounted electric motor. With 312 horsepower from the 2.0-liter front 4 and 143 horsepower from the electric motor, the S60 Recharge combines 455 horsepower with 523 pound-feet of torque to claim the big Volvo title. Of course, the name also applies to all other models that offer this power, but a win is a win. As sophisticated as this powertrain is, it was reasonably reliable during the 2020 model's 40,000 miles of testing, and it charges decently for service. With 400 horsepower, the car accelerates to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. With that extra muscle, I hit 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds and sprinted through the quarter mile in 12.5 seconds at 110 miles per hour, cutting the time by a few ticks. That quarter-mile time would be faster if the S60 didn't approach the miserable 114 miles per hour speed limit on the run. This cuts power at about 110 miles per hour, 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds, decent EV range and power, reasonable base price. This clash between sports car acceleration and party speed limiters epitomizes the S60 Recharge's wider contradiction. On the one hand, it is a determination to keep Volvo's image safe and reliable even without a sport mode. But on the other hand, 455 HP. Like the 2014 Porsche 911 Targa 4S PDK, it has a top speed of 100 km per hour. Knowing that the nice and neat S60 Recharge can smoke Camaros is like knowing that Ned Flanders is sneaky. Flandra is stupidly sexy. In addition to adding raw power, the updated hybrid components allow the S60 to function seamlessly as an EV, which it didn't when it had 87 electric horsepower. Now with 143 horsepower and a larger 14.9 kWh battery, the S60 can function as a legitimate daily driver in EV mode. EPA estimated range is 41 miles, and we saw 34 miles of range during our 75-mile highway test. You don't have to press the accelerator to stop the gas engine from burning up in traffic. The fact is that when you accelerate through a 90-degree turn at an intersection, you can hear an anxious scream from inside the rear wheel. In EV mode, the S60 Recharge is rear-wheel drive. The S60's instrument cluster has a display that shows you how close you are to igniting the petrol engine, with a fuel drop or teardrop icon indicating where you enter hybrid mode. It's easy to stay under the line, but when selected in hybrid mode, the Recharge is still very fuel efficient, hitting 37 mpge in our highway fuel economy test and 28 mpe overall. As another bonus of the larger battery, the Recharge is now eligible for a $7,500 federal tax credit. A potential $7,500 net surcharge brings the PHEV to $2,450. As the plug-in powertrain costs $9,950 more than the gas-powered S60. In addition to excellent linear performance and frugal economy, the S60 Recharge scores well, but not high. If you want the S60's chassis to match its power, the Polestar engineered trim costs $16,800 more than the base core model and $10,100 more than the Ultimate Black Edition. It took 178 feet to brake from 100 miles per hour to 70 miles per hour. Expand that number to 359 feet. But the Volvo's brakes were tireless and didn't go away after a few triple-digit stops. The S60's 0.85G sliding grille could be bigger, but it's stopped by the tisk-tisk of stability control. Like the '69 Chevy Chevelle SS, the S60 Recharge loves drag strips on the road. Like the Ford Maverick hybrid pickup, this sedan can tow 2,000 pounds, opening up exciting possibilities with light travel trailers and glamping. While the revised powertrain is a major update, Volvo has also updated the S60's infotainment system, which is now powered by Google, including Maps Assistant in the Play Store. In the black edition we tested, which has black wheels and is only available in Onyx Black Metallic or Crystal White Metallic, was new last year. Most of the S60's changes, however, are under its skin, still quite a few. This may be one of the reasons why the S60 is reasonably priced for its style and performance. The S60 Recharge Space Tap is $52,345, so with a $7,500 credit, the Swedish 455 horsepower hauler's net price is $44,845. A fully loaded Ultimate Black Edition with extras like heated front and rear seats, a heated steering wheel and a head-up display was $62,995. There was a $3,200 Bowers and Wilkins sound system that you could skip if you could live with a basic Harman Kardon system. But look at it this way, because Volvo's Bowers and Wilkins system is one of the best factory audio setups money can buy. It's like spending some of your tax credits on the powerful bass and tweeters you want in your living room. Basically, the 2023 S60 Recharge looks like previous cars of this generation, but now it is radically better in a plug-in mission. Most mid-cycle changes are cosmetic. Transformers. 2023 Volvo S60 Recharge. Vehicle type, front engine, rear motor, rear/all-wheel drive, 5-passenger, 4-door sedan. Price. Base/is tested, $52,345/$62,995. Options, Ultimate Black Edition, 360-degree camera, heated front seats, head-up display, 4-way power lumbar, adaptive cruise control, black grille and badging, metallic paint, charcoal leather interior, $6,700, Bowers and Wilkins stereo system, $3,200, climate package, headlight cleaning system, heated steering wheel and outboard rear seats, $750. Powertrain. Turbocharged and intercooled DOHC 16-valve 2.0-liter inline-4, 312 horsepower, 295 lb-ft plus AC motor, 143 horsepower, 228 lb-ft, combined output, 455 horsepower, 523 lb-ft, 14.9 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, 3.7 kW onboard charger. Transmissions, 8-speed automatic/direct drive.